Hey my people, let's make a s'mores skillet. So I have these molds that I got, one from Etsy and one from Annie's Treasure. You could get the chocolate mold from Annie's Treasure and the wafer mold from Etsy. So I rolled out some marshmallows and I kind of let them dry overnight. And this is a mixture of Mod Podge, paint, and cork, and that's going to represent the melted chocolate at the bottom of my skillet. So just spread it around. You don't need a thick layer, just spread it around. Make sure you get it into all the little areas, and we're going to stick those marshmallows on top of that. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of slick paint in white, and I'm just going to smear it around to make it resemble like the melted marshmallows. So you don't have to do that if you don't want to, but I thought it would look, you know, make it look more realistic if it had melted marshmallows. So now I'm just sticking the marshmallows in there. You can put as many as you want. You can make the marshmallows bigger if you want. These were kind of small, but I just stuck them in there however, you know, I thought looked good. So I took my wafer mold and I cut it in half, because that's like, you know, you dipping your graham cracker in there and you're going to pick up some chocolate and some marshmallow. And then I put chocolate bar in there. So now I'm just getting some of the fake chocolate mixture and putting it on top of the chocolate bar and the graham crackers, just so that it looks, you know, like blended in. And then I got a ribbon and I stuck a Teddy Graham on there. But I was looking at it and I was like, something don't look right here. And you'll see later on how I changed it around. So now I'm going to put some chocolate onto the spatula that came with the little skillet. So the skillet is from Dollar Tree in the toy section. It's a kid's toy. And you can find that at Dollar Tree or maybe even Amazon, I'm not sure, but I definitely got it from Dollar Tree. So I just stuck a little bit of the white on there to resemble the melted marshmallow, like you picking up something from out the skillet. So now I'm looking at it and I'm like, something ain't right, because I want you to see the ribbon and the Teddy Graham. So what I did was I switched the marshmallows to the other side. As you can see there, the cookies are not covering up the handle anymore, because I moved the marshmallows to the other side and put the cookies on the side that they were supposed to be on. But you know, sometimes when you're making a craft, you just be forgetting stuff. But anyways, put the marshmallow towards the handle and the cookies on the other side. Then I took my chalk pastels and I just shaded them to look, shaded the marshmallows to look like they was like a little, you know, burnt or whatever. I didn't put a lot of paint on it because since the cork is still wet, it's hard to like get it to stay still. So I'm just, when it dries, I'll do a little bit more. But anyway, that's it. Look how cute and easy that is. Make you one. It's too easy not to make. All you gotta make is the marshmallows. You don't have to use a mold for those crackers. Just make you one. Talk to you soon. Bye.